Hello guys, my name is Mitja and you are watching a quick video recap of our most recent blog tutorial in which we will show you how to make unique riser effects. Riser effects are without a doubt one of the aspects of modern electronic music genres that contribute to the much wanted impression of the tension and release. This is vital when producers need to create dramatic and dynamic builds right before the drop. Most of us use pre-made riser effects from various libraries that can be found online. Instead, in the next tutorial, we will show you how to process and create unique riser effects. Let's take a look at the SoundBridge project in front of us and hear the full mix without the processed riser effect. We have imported a pre-generated riser sound into our project and made 2 copies out of it. In the audio editor, I have pitched the first copy down and the second one up by 12 semitones. Next, for the easier control, I have grouped the riser effect channels and moved to the group channel effect rack. Here, I further process the sound with tremolo and reverb effects. I have automated the depth and rate parameters of the tremolo effect as well as the dry wet mix of the reverb in order to get some movement and add some space and width to the sound. Finally, let us hear how our processed riser effect sounds in the context of the full mix. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article please visit our website at soundbridge.io.